many-to-many relationship, displaying courses by day. Another free lesson to help you become a better coder. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your continued support helps make these videos possible. And as always, I thank you all for watching this video. In this tutorial, we will add a course query for listing. We will also add a function to convert the string time to short time format. Let's take a look at how I achieve this. Alright, let's go to the folder. Let's see, what did we do? Oh yeah, many-to-many. Right here. We're gonna make a copy of this many-to-many demo too. Control C, Control V, and let's make that a 3. Let's make that a 3, and let's go in there. And I started this 3 months ago, 3 months and 23 days to be exact. Yep, 3 months and 23 days to be exact. And I have produced about 114 videos. That's a lot. That's a lot. Anyways, let's get back to where we were. So what we did, this is what we did. All right. We joined these guys together, and I described how I came about to doing this. Let's see. How about computer? How about VB, Visual Basic Programming? All right, let's you know what? Let's make this guy an 8 o'clock, and then Wednesday 8 o'clock, Wednesday 8 o'clock, and Friday. Well, no, that's good. Well, maybe Friday. Do we have Saturday and Sunday here? Oh, we do. Oh, wow. Okay. Anyways, yeah, in US, some schools will go through Saturdays and Sunday. I don't know about your country. All right. So what we want to do here, we want to be able to do something similar. All right, and have a drop down like so. Maybe call this a term a day, and then it will list what courses are being taught for that day. All right, let's see how we're going to do that. So I'm going to close this out, and because of the controls already there, I am going to copy this guy, copy, paste. Let's call this guy a course summary. No, course by day. Yeah, there you go, course by day. All right, so let's go in there and let's massage this guy. I am going to take this guy out, and as a matter of fact, I'm going to go back in here and delete all the stuff except the onload. Yeah, delete and if we need, we can come back. All right, so that way we don't have any hiccups in the back end. All right, so what we need to do here, we want to call this guy term. Oh, we got a term there. You know what, let's call this guy day. All right, and then we got term here, so we're going to switch those guys around. As a matter of fact, I am going to remove that guy and swap this guy around like so, and maybe move this guy up like that. All right, and that's what we want to do. That's what we want to do. Let's see, we can do this on one form. All right, we can do this on one form, I think. We'll see, won't we? So I'm gonna, to do that on one form, you would have to do this. You would say, you would add the header, and I'm going to go ahead and change that background. I don't like that, you know. I like simplicity. Like background. Did I miss something? Oh, capital B. Yeah, this is text case sensitive. You see that B right there? It says background. That has to be a capital B for it to recognize. There you go. So it's all right. So what I need to do here, I just need to grab this guy and put it up there. That's all I need to do. And then just to be fancy, let's color this guy to what we had on the other side. All right. So here you can do a list of the stuff. All right. So, but before we do that, I'm going to do this. I'm going to change this right here. Oh, we got term, so that term is good. I'm going to change this day right here. It says course. Change that name to day. All right, and then go to query here, right here. Select. It's a course day and course name. Let me think. Let me see. Yep. So course day ID and course day name. All right. So what we want to do here, we want to come back. Yeah, where right here. We're just gonna select course, change that to course day ID, change that to, yeah, there you go. We got a course name there. All we have to do is just type a day in front, and then from course day. All right, that's that, and save. So what we want here is let's do a click event on this guy. Come over here on click. Now you can do on click, or you could do after update. Let's do after update, just in case you decide to type. All right, when you type, you want to do it after update. When you click, you want to do it to click. All right, so we're gonna do, but if you do on click, this guy also happens. So go ahead and do the after update. Let's go in there, and then we'll say, let me think. Okay, you know what? Let's do this. Let's set the onload. All right. What we want to do here, we want to pre-populate the term equals me CBO term first item, which is 0. All right, and then me CBO day CBO day item first item. All right, and now on click, we want to say if me CBO me if not is no, just in case it's no value here. It's possible. Do you know how that is possible? If you were to delete everything in there, it would become no. All right, but if you tab, which is a space bar, then it's a space bar. It's not no, but you just can't see anything. We call that empty string. All right, no and empty string is different. All right, don't let anybody tell you otherwise. So if it's no, if it's not no, do this. How about let's do this. If it's null, all right? So if it's null, we want to do this. That way we don't have if then else. We just do one if, all right? So if it's null, we want to do that, all right? And likewise, we want to validate this guy as well. As a matter of fact, I'm going to copy this guy. So I'm not doing a cascading because we are not linking anything together. We just want to set this guy, all right? Now, when it gets to here, this guy has to be somebody, all right? That's why we don't have to have, all right? So if it's null, we want it to be the first item. If it's not null, we don't worry about it. That's how it works, all right? And if you notice my code a lot of time, let's see, do I have anything in here? I was gonna explain to you, but no. But if you follow my code, I always said, for example, if it's a boolean, I said the parameters here said booleans is true, all right? But anyways, yeah. So the fact that this guy will always be something when it gets to here, and that's all you need to know. And likewise, this guy, I'm gonna copy this day right here. Copy. Same way, all right? So if this guy is null, all right, like I said, if somebody, that should be day, CBO day. If the user decides to remove all that stuff in there, and it's yeah, then it's null, all right? Now, when we're done there, what if you do this? Let's see what this one does. I'm gonna go ahead and run this guy. What if you do this? Oh, that one's locked. You know what? Let's unlock that guy. We locked that guy because we don't want it to be editable. Okay, but here we want to allow edit. So we need to do unlock right here. Lock, no. All right. We don't want it to lock. Okay. All right, let's go run it again. Now we can see that. Now, and what happens if you hit tab or hit enter? Ah, that's not the one from the list. Good. So you gotta be selecting one of these guys. See there? So that's good. That's good. That's why. Okay. Now if you do that like that, oops. Let's see if I did that. It default to 1. You see that? What if I do that and click off from there? That's null right there. Alright? That's null right there. Click off from there. That defaulted to there. Do you know why? Because it's update. Remember? If I didn't have that update right here, if I didn't have update, after update, it would not pre-populate the first item. Alright? Now, let me show you. See how this guy did not pre-populate? See that? When I click off from there? See there? That one did not pre-populate. So this is what we do. Design. Come in here, do the same thing. After update, remember that, okay? So when you code, you gotta remember this, alright? Because we already have this guy here, we don't need to do it again. All we have to do is say call, bam. Alright, now let's see if that updates it when we move the cursor away. Alright, so I'm gonna remove that guy and then click on this term. You see how it pre-populated, and that's what you want to do. That works perfect. Nice. So that's what you want to do. Alright, so I noticed this jumps to here, so we are going to rearrange the index. Alright, let's go rearrange the index. Click on this guy, come to other tab here, tab index. How come this guy That's 1. Oh, yeah, that should be 0. That should be 1. See that? We're just gonna swap this guy around, make this guy 0. That's it. Alright, so when we open this guy up, this form up, it's going to default the cursor to this guy, to the term. Let's look. See that? Good. We're done. Just kidding. Alright, you see this tab right here? And this navigation right here? Ooh, that looks tacky. I have never liked navigation. We don't use navigation. If you watch all my videos, I don't use this selector and I don't use this tab. Alright, because we always use search. Alright, our search is much fancier and quicker. If you were to tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, by the time you get to 500, you're gonna have sore fingers. Alright, but use the search the way I built it for you. All you have to do is just follow the video, put that to work, and you don't need to do this navigation thing. Alright, well, that did what they had to do, right, Microsoft? But we do what we need to do to make it fancy and intuitive. So let's go to the design. We're gonna get rid of this guy. So if you come to the right here, say tab all tab. See this selector right here? Bam, no. Bam, no. Good. Let's see what else do we need to do. That's it for now. Alright, so how do you get this guy to list? Well, it depends. If you so here you could just select the course day and time, but nothing in here is really meaningful. Alright, nothing in there is meaningful. For example, that's not meaningful. Alright, oh, that is weird. That is no, not meaningful. Alright, so none of these tables has any meaning. Alright, because relational database is always like that. These don't have any meaning at all. Okay, so just remember, relationals, we break things apart in bits. That way we don't have 10,000 columns of information. Alright, and that's why relational database came to be. So we break things apart, and I explained that in the database video. Now, to make things meaningful, we have to build a query. Now in SQL we call it view. Alright, similar to this guy right here, similar to that guy. Alright, but this guy has no, we don't understand that. See the course? So we're gonna use this guy. No, we don't want to use that guy either. Alright, we want to use this guy, these references, because they're only a handful. What, 25? There are only 25 classes that were assigned. Well, actually there were courses that were assigned to different days and times. Alright, for example, course 1 here, we got 1, 2. We got same course assigned to 2 different times. Alright, so that's how we look at it. So, but this is not meaningful. Alright, let's build the queries to make it more meaningful to us. Let's go to query. The first thing that we want is this guy, and the second thing that we want is the course name. Alright, and that's all we need. That's all we need. Alright, that's all we need. Let's see, what else do we need? Oh yeah, we need a course day. This guy there. So we need to tie these 3 together to make it more meaningful. As a matter of fact, let's see if we can do this. We need time, or let's see how we're gonna do this. Or there. Good. I think that's gonna work. I'm gonna close that. We're gonna see if this is gonna work. I am going to move this. I'm gonna make this a left side. Alright, I'm gonna make these a left side, or maybe yeah, Yeah, well, it's up to you. Alright, now let's link this guy up. Let's say inner join, course day, inner join. You know what? If we put this guy in there, it will look a little fancier. It will look a little fancier. And then time ID, inner join. Like so. And that's what we have. Alright. So now we are going to oh, we forgot the term. Yeah, we forgot term. We gotta bring the term in here and tie this term to there. Look at that. That's nice and fancy little. There you go. Or do this and bring the term up there. Alright. There, like so. I think that's good enough. What do you think? Alright. So the first thing that we want is the term name. So we'll click on this guy, term name, and then we'll say course day ID, course name. The reason being because I'm just trying to follow this guy right here. You see, we got term, we click on the term, and then we click on this guy, and now we're gonna show the, and now we are going to show the course. Now this one right here, I can format it like this. I'm gonna call it a course. See if that barks at me. And then we're gonna say course number. Nope. Let's do a course name so that it reads English 101. For instance, space it out. Course number. Alright, and then we also need a time. The time, we don't need an ID. An ID is for referencing this guy. See, we need an ID for term and ID for day, but time is going to be tied together, so we just need a name. Alright, and let's save that. Let's call course list, and let's see how it looks. Look at that, just like I know what I was doing. Alright, just like I know what I was doing. That looks pretty good to me. What do you think? So we assigned this guy, alright, to 2 days, Monday and Wednesday. Remember that? See there? Now, oh, this is going to be a quick video. Now we can say, now you have option. You can build another subform and populate it in here, or you can just use the query we just built. Query course list. Alright. And now I can say, oh, right here. That's what I was looking at. So what if we say course? You see there? What if we say day? Like that. What happened if we did that? Let's take a look. Alright, now let's double check on this. I'm going to close this out. Oops, I'm gonna double check. See how it says default view, it says single form. We want to switch that to continuous. All right, let's see what it looks like. Nice. Nice. Now if you don't like the display the way it is, you can do this. Let me show you how to dress this up. First off, I don't like that little break line. This guy right here, the alternate color, I don't like it. I never liked it. Alright, so I'm going to make that just a one color. And course name, we don't need that. Oh, that's the day. That's fine. We need that. Copy that. And then I'm going to delete all these labels. Hit that header, paste, and bring it down here. And this course is pretty lengthy. Not a whole lot. It's a course and then a number. So I can make it right about there, and then call it, yeah, well, course is good. And copy two more, 1, 2. Oh. Did not copy it. Try it again. There you go. So make it like that. Make it like that. That looks good right there. What do you think? I'm gonna select that as well. Make it widest. Move this guy to here. Select this guy. Make it widest. Yeah, kind of fiddling around with this guy. Widest. And then I'm just gonna move this guy to there. Select the all and back color. Let's have a same color so it looks right. And how about make it a little darker, bold. All right. And then change this guy to day. Change this guy to time. Alright, let's take a look. Nice. Nice. See how we did that? Alright, now how are we going to query this? Like when we say Monday, we just want to see Mondays. Tuesdays, we just want to see Tuesdays. Alright, so this is what we do. This is what we do. We already have a function in here. So now when we get to here, when it gets to there, we can say me record source right down here equals, see there, and we say select everything from query that we just built. What was it? Do you remember? Course list. Alright, now this don't have to be capitalized, okay? Could be a little letters. Is it course list? Yes. Now if you're not sure, you come over here, copy this guy, because it's essentially the same thing, and put it right there and say where term ID equals me CBO term and course day ID equals me CBO day. That's all there is to it. to be technical, you can put the semicolon, or you can just leave that out. All right, just like that, just like that. All right, let's see if that works. So if we open it up, it's going to pre-populate whatever it is displayed there. Actually, you know what? We need to make a call. Sorry about that. We need to make a call right there. Copy that. As a matter of fact, I'll just copy this guy, and then I don't have to type. So that's the thing when you create this thing in with functions and routines. You just call this and there and here and there and everywhere. All right. Now this one, it doesn't matter. You can just leave right there. All right. I'm gonna close this out. Let's see if that works as planned. Course day. It didn't work. Why is that? Did he come in here? It should work. Well, you know what? Try this. Yeah, let's stop there. I think I have an idea why it doesn't work. We might have to requery here. Requery. I think. Let's see if it goes there. It should. Yeah. Okay. And then let's see this guy. 1. See this guy. 1. Perfect. Still didn't work. Still didn't work. What's going on? What is going on? Okay, so let's test our theory. This code would work, alright. But what didn't work was that we don't have term 1. We have term 2. Look at this. Look at the term. Of course. See? Term 2? That's why. Alright. So yeah, as I was doing that, I just started realizing, hey, there's something there. So if you go there, there's nothing there. But if we do this, yeah, I didn't think my code was bad. I knew it was right on the spot. So, but as I was trying to figuring out why it was not doing it, I just realized there was no term. So this code right here does what it's supposed to do. Alright, perfect right there. But here, look at this. You see this empty boxes here? Let's get rid of that. I don't like that. What do you think? Let's get rid of that. I'm gonna dress this out a little nicer. Alright. Before we do that, see unload right here. Come over here. Let's do this. Me caption equals courses by day. That's better. All right, let's get rid of that those boxes below there. I bet you already know why, but just in case you don't, watch this. Go to the all tab. Yeah, I hardly go to this guy. All right, I just go to 1, and then just scroll down. Look for allow addition. Right here, you see here, allow addition. If you select no, delete no, edit no, allow filter no, because we're doing the filter behind there already. All right, so no, we didn't. My bad. So let's order this by, because we are selecting by day already. We can say order by what was it? Do you remember? Course, time, name. That's it. All right, and then it's just going to order by earliest day first. All right, so let's close that. Remember, it's not going to show anything because we got to select this guy. Oh, did we lock that? My bad. Oh, I know why I did. My bad. I'm sorry. That's all right. Let's go back to allow edit, allow edition. Where is it? Right here. No edition, no deletion. We're gonna allow edit. That's it. All right, and we just come over here and lock. Let's go over there and lock right here. That's what we want to do. All right, because if we did the other one, all this will not be able to change if we don't allow edit. We want to allow edit. All right, we want to allow edit. So let's double check, allow edit right there. All right, so we want that. Let's close that out and let's see if that works. Save. Will that work? That's better. Tuesday, Wednesday. Nice. See that Wednesday, and we got time right here. Ooh, see that time? We don't like that. We got one before that guy. So I wonder if we could do this. All right, I wonder if we could do this. Let's go back in here. Let's go back in here. Let's think out loud together here. I wonder if we could do this. All right, let's get back to where we were. I had to take a break. I was going to take a break like a couple hours. It ended up to be over a day. But anyways, I am back. Let's get going. Where were we? I think we were trying to create a we were going to try to create change this guy, this course time to a date, to the actual time, so that we can sort them by the time right here, by the day, and sort it by time. For example, Monday 8, Monday 9, Monday 10, so on and so forth. But right now we cannot sort because it's in a string. So and then I came in here and I was going to continue. All right, so let's see what we can do. Let's take a look at this course time right here. I can see that we always add AM, PM at the end to signify the period, morning or evening or afternoon or evening. All right, so that's one thing that we know as an information. So I'm thinking if we separate these two guys, number and AM or PM, then we can format these guys to be time. All right, so as this is not really a time, it's a string that we type in. All right, so let's go into the code. Let's see if we can make this happen. Let's create a function. I think I typed that wrong. Let's try that again. Function. How about convert string to time, and then we're going to pass in the value s time as string. So that's what we're going to send in, and then we want to return a string. All right, so let's do this. We're going to say an integer time, which is the 9, 10, 11 and so on. This is this is integer. And then we want the AM and PM. Let's call this S period. All right, as string. So now we're gonna massage this guy to separate this guy. So we know that the we could say I time equals we want to do mid S time beginning first character to number of characters minus 2, because we know that AM or PM are 2 characters, so we're gonna subtract that guy. Oops, my bad there. Need to put in the S time there. We need to subtract that guy. But now, what if we accidentally put a space behind that AM, right? Or in front of the AM. So let's do this. Let's say S time trim. We want to make sure the empty spaces before or after is gone. So we're going to trim the time. Alright. That way we can get an actual 2 in there. Now we want to say S period equals mid. Now we want the last two characters. So to get the last 2 characters, we can do this. Right 2. Alright. That's it. Right 2. That will just give us the 2 characters, AM or PM. Now let's format this guy. The convert string to time. Alright. One thing that to time equals. Now one thing that we need to know, I'm gonna put a S time needs to have either AM or PM at the end. That way we know that whatever we pass in here, we gotta have this AM and PM at the end. Alright, and then we just do example 9 AM, like so. Alright, so that way we know that way whoever comes in here, or we come back in here in 2-3 years, we know what we want to pass in here. Alright, so now we can say, we're gonna say I time, which is the number. Alright, we're gonna add colon in there, and we're gonna add the minute, now second, and then we're gonna make a space, and then we're gonna add the S period back in there. This is how you format the time. Alright, so we got 9, 0 minute, 0 seconds, and period. Okay, and period. Now before we do this, alright, well hopefully nobody enters 13 PM. Alright, because we're using AM PM as certified. Therefore this is time needs to be a 12 hour plus, need to be a 12 hour format with, there you go. So time needs to be a 12-hour format with either AM or PM at the end. Alright, so that way we know that we should not be adding or entering 13 hours in there. Alright, so I think that looks good right there. That's pretty simple. Alright, that's pretty simple. Let's go to the front here. Let's go to the front. I'm gonna close that out. We're gonna give it a test drive. Let's go to create and open up the design. We're gonna test this guy out to see what it brings us. I'm just gonna do a simple stuff in here, and then let's click this guy. let's test this guy. Message box. Actually, let's add another. Yeah, let's add another text box. So this will be the result. So I'm just going ahead and name this guy txt result, and then right here I'm going to say me text result equals daytime db access, and then convert to time. I'm gonna pass in the text box there. All right, so let's save that. Actually let's save this guy first. Oops, that guy first, and let's go to the front, and now let's save this guy. Control S, form test screen, our favorite. All right, let's test it out. Let's see what it gives us. It should say something here. Let's say 9 a.m. 9 a.m. You see there? That's the time. All right, that's the time. Now, to be just in case there's a AM in here, I want to convert that to a capital. So let's do that. Let's see how we're gonna do that. Let's make this guy a U case. U case means uppercase. All right. L case means lowercase. So let's save that now. So if we click the command, this AM should be capital AM. Let's see if that works. There you go. All right. So if we say 12 p.m. 12 p.m. All right. Now let's see if we format this further down. Let's try this. Let's go to the test screen here. Let's convert this to format hour, minute, and let's see if it gives us. Oh, hold on. Let's see what it gives us now. 12. Now, if we add AM, PM, let's see what it gives us here. Perfect. You see that? If we make that guy a 10 o'clock AM, you see that? That's time. That's how we convert it. Now we can copy this guy right here. Copy. Show you how to do this. Go back to this query right here. Oop, this guy, my bad. Course list, right there. Yeah, this guy, we're gonna send in this guy. All right, let's go to course list, go to the design, right there. Now, zoom it in. See it says time name here. We can say course time dot. Let's see how we're doing it now. Right there, and there, parentheses. Now we want to format the way we did it over there. So I'm gonna flip back here and copy this right here. Oops. Oh, okay, that's all right. I can type in. I was trying to get it an easy way out. So we're gonna just do format. So, comma, hour, minute, space, AM, PM. Control S. Let's close that and let's see if it gives us what we want to see. You see that? That's how that works. You see? Now we can order this. Course time. See, Monday, we got Monday at 8, and so on and so forth. All right, now let's go to the form right here. we don't have course time name anymore because we changed that. Let's select course time. You see that? So we change that, update that name, and let's go back to the design, the code behind. Right here, we want to order. Remember, we were going to make an order here. Order by course time. That's it. That's all we have to do. Let's see if it works. Alright, so I'm gonna close all that out. Let's see if it works. Courses by day. Alright, we don't have anything in 2021. Let's see if we have anything to 2022. Look at that. Ooh. You know what? We want 8, 9, 10 a.m. first. Let me see. Let's go back in here. Let's see if we can fix this guy. We wanted to order by date. How about short time? Does it have short time? Oh, this looks good. Now short time will order correctly. Let's see if short time orders correctly. Let's go back to the course here. Let's change this day to Tuesday, Wednesday. That's good. You see that? It doesn't give AM PM, but it does tell you 13 hour, 14 hour. I think that's gonna be right there. You know what? We're gonna keep it like that, and that's good right there. Alright, because we had issues with converting this guy. Alright, but anyways, yeah, let's do that. Let's leave it like that. We're gonna change that to the convert that to short time. Alright, short time, which gives us the 24-hour format. 24-hour format. Alright, so that would be good. And that's what we came to do. We want to be able to list these guys based on term, day, alright, and let's get a little fancy. What about if we want to get the number of courses? Alright, let's see if we can do a little more massaging here. I'm gonna close that out. Yeah, let's go to design here. We're gonna add a label right here. Alright, and blah there, and label number of courses. Let's go back to the code behind. Let's see how we're gonna do number of courses here. Can we get a course count from here? Me caption equals me record source do we have a count? Does it have a count? I'm just guessing here. Let's see if it has a count. What else does it have? Nothing. How about record count? Does it have record count? Nope. It doesn't. Alright, so if it doesn't, the easiest way to do is easy. Let's call this sub display number of courses. Alright, and then we're going to say this. I'm going to show you the easiest way to do. OS as record set, and then we're going to say OS equals me record source or clone, record set clone, and then we're gonna say, kind of thinking out loud here, what we can do here. I'm gonna copy that and say call display number of courses, and here I wonder if we could do this, rs record count, and then we want to dispose this one, set rs equals nothing, and I forgot right here, set, I was trying to get so fast. I think that will give us something, I think. Oh yeah, my bad. 7, you see there? 6. How about Monday? Monday 7. Tuesday 2. You see there? 6. Alright. So now we can make this guy a little fancier. Alright. Let's give this full color a red. We got that blue right there. Yeah, I like this blue. Alright, let's make that guy a bold. Looks good right there. Alright, let's see if we can make this guy a little more interesting. Let's see. There, hold on. Before we do this, we could say this. I'm gonna copy this guy. Trying to get a little fancy here. If you know what I mean. If equals 1, then, and now I am going to copy this guy. If it's, well, actually right there, we want this guy to be, and then we're gonna say there are, you see there, courses for, so I'm giving you a whole lot of slew here, and then we're gonna say column. We're gonna use the second column. That's the second column. All right. And now, actually, yeah, that's fine. To be complete, you gotta add a period in there, by the way. That's English. Alright, that's English. So now, we got a little fancy here. You see how we got fancy? And now this guy is 0. And then we don't have anything, we just do this. If it's 0, we just do this. Or actually, you know what? We'll leave that one. There are no courses. Alright? And here, all we have to do, there is 1 course. 4. Alright, let's take a look. Let's see if it does what we want it to do. There are no courses for Monday. You see there? Let's do this guy. There are 7 courses for Monday. See how neat that is? How about Wednesday? There are 7 courses for Wednesday. There are no courses for Sunday. You see how that works now? Alright? That's how that works. And that's how that works. That's pretty good, I think. That's it. That's what we came to do for this video. I hope you can get something out from this. This is many-to-many relationship. And we started with the course day, term, course time, and we massaging this, putting all of this together. All right, and here are the references, many-to-many relationship. All right, and each one of these cannot be null. All right, because there is reference to a day and reference to a time. All right, also we added the temp file for selecting and deselecting. For example, the course assignment here, that's a course assignment. All right, if we add now, remember Monday we got 7. Let's take a look. Monday, let's look at Monday. How many courses? See there, we got 7 courses. Watch this. We're coming in here, we add the English. How about we add at 1 o'clock? All right, if we flip to Tuesday and come back to Monday, there are 8. You see there, 1 o'clock. Yeah, we got 1 o'clock. See that right there, that guy. All right, that guy. You know what, I'm gonna give you a bonus. I am going to give you, should I give you a bonus? No, I'll let you figure it out. But I can tell you how else you can do to query this. You could add another drop down list here, call it a course. All right, call it a course, and then you can flip this guy back and forth, toggle. All right, toggle. For example, you want to query about the course or about the day, and when you make a selection, this right here will switch as you want. All right, so I'm not going to tell you how to do that. I'll let you come up with it, and if you want me to show you, you let me know in the comment, and I can show you how to change this drop down list from day to course. So we can do that. We can do a lot. We can query however you want here. All right, you can change from day to course. If you want me to do that, if you are stuck and you really want to see how that's done, you tell me. All right, otherwise I'm gonna leave it just as is. All right, this has been a great video, three video series. So be sure to watch the first one, second one, and this one. All right, so but I'll leave you the fourth one for you to do it yourself if you want to learn how to do relationship here. That's all for now. Happy programming. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.